Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. So this will help me grow this channel. So now in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a free data entry form in Microsoft Forms or Microsoft Excel. These forms could be used for data collection about anything. You can use these forms for surveys or registration or any kind of feedback if you like from someone else. So you can create this form and then give the link to people that you want to share the link with. They can fill in the form. You can have some of the cells required. So they'll fill up the form. You will receive that data and then you can analyze that data based on their feedback. So let's get into this video. So the very first thing you will need to do is to create a free Microsoft account. If you already have an account, you don't have to do this step. You can just move on to the next step. But if you don't have an account, you can just use Microsoft. You just Google Microsoft account in Google, and you'll see here a bunch of options that you can follow. But here it says that collaborate for free with online version of Microsoft Words and a bunch of other things. You go there, you so if you already have an account, you can sign in, but if you don't have an account, you will have to create one. So here is it gives you the option to create one account. So you just go here. I already have an account. I'm not going to follow the steps, but if you don't have an account, you just type your email here. Next, I will ask you for a bunch of other information, put the passwords and things like that. And after you're all set, then you will be logged in and I'll see you in that page. So now we create a free Microsoft account. We are logged into Microsoft Office. So here you just click on Excel and then open a new blank workspace. And after this is open, you will go to Insert and then here you see a bunch of options, but we don't see the form option. So that is totally fine. We can go to all applications and here go to all apps and then forms. We can click on here and it is taking us to form. We can just click on create a new form. So here we are. So now here are some of the templates that we can already use, or we can just create ourselves a new template. So what we can do, we can just use any of these. So here, this one is already here. Uh, Very cool. You can do that, but I'm just going to use a simple one here. So here, I'll just add a title to this form. So I'll just add in description. I'll call this a how tech survey, and you can also add a picture here. So you can upload it. You can do bring it from Google or OneDrive, but I'll just bring one from my desktop. So while this is uploading, I can also have like a little description to this form. So I can say that this is a how tech survey. I would like your feedback. So here you can have like a bunch of description. If it was is something specific, you can add that. You can add your contact information and a lot of other information if you like. But here I'll just stick with this. And then I'll just add new. So we'll click on add new. So now it is asking us what do you want to add. So we want to add. So here in this form, I'm just creating a survey for my YouTube channel. So it will be just four questions, and I want to give bunch of options to bunch of people. So I want to do rating first. So how would you rate this channel? So I can say that uh, how would you rate this channel? And then uh, symbols levels are 5. That's it. I'll just make this requirement. So this will be required. You will not be able to submit this form without without answering this question. So let's add another question. So now I want to do is text. I'll ask that what is your favorite video? So what is your uh, favorite video in how tech? I could do that. And here, this is a free text. So you this one I'm not gonna make it a requirement. Here you have to type in which is your favorite video, and then I'll just go to the third question now. So in the third question, I'm giving you a option to are you subscribed or not. So this will be sort of a multiple choice. So I'll just do that. Uh, are you uh, subscribed to How Tech? And then uh, just do yes and then no. And you can also add maybe, but maybe is not a requirement. You either are subscribed or not. I'll make this question a requirement as well. And now the fourth question and the last question, I'll just add it. So there are a bunch of other options as well, if you like, but I'm just gonna use the one I have already. So okay, so I'll do the text one again. So here I would like that. What improvements can I make to the channel? What improvements I can make to this channel. And again, this is a free tag, so I'll just make that not a requirement. So we have two of the requirements. One of them is that how would you rate this channel, and it has a little star next to it, and then are you subscribed to how tag. So there's a star right next to it as well, and this is it. So this is our response now. So what we want to do right now is collect responses. So we have the form ready. We'll just click on collect responses. So here we have a bunch of options. We have this link. Uh, we have this link that we can share with people. So if we have a website or we have like a SharePoint page or anything like that, we can embed this link. We can use this link there and use that as a hyperlink. So every time people click on this, it will take them to this form. I will show you how this form look like to a user. You can also share this if it's a survey. You want to share this with Facebook people. You can share it with Facebook. We can share it with Twitter. You can also create a QR code for this. So if you want to have a QR code, you want to print it out so people can scan it and then answer the survey, that's totally fine. You can also email them to people, and you can also embed them. So this is like you can embed them in a website or something like that. Okay, so I'm just going to use the link here and then go to this form. So I'll just copy and paste this. So this is how this form looks like for a user. So I'm just going to collect responses twice to show you how the backend data looks like. So here I'm going to rate this channel. One of them, I'll give them 5. For the YouTube, what is your favorite video? I'll just call this a form video. Okay, that's a form video. And are you subscribed or not? I'll say yes. And what improvements can I make to this channel? I would just say nothing at the moment. Okay, and then I'll submit this response. So once a person submit a response, you can go and check your responses. So here we have a response here. We can go and check it. So it is telling us what the response was. So this form is active. You can also have a limit to it. So you can add like a timing to it when this form will be closed. So you can also go to settings and then start date, end date, you can do set time duration, get email notification each time there's a response and things like that. You can also do that to this form. You can have like a time window associated with this form. Okay, so we got the first response. What we want to do is just have another response, because we want to have another response because then we can actually find out how the backend data looks like. So this one, I'll just copy and paste it again, and then this time I'll give a different response. So now I'm just gonna do 4 stars for how tech video. I'll just leave this blank. Are you subscribed or not? I'll just say no. And then what improvements can I make to this channel? I can leave this blank as well, or I can just say that you can improve this a lot. You can improve this a lot. Okay, I'll just submit this form again. So once I submit it, you see that now we have 2 responses. Okay, now we have 2 responses, and it is telling us, it is kind of calculating the data. So now it is saying that average rating is 4.5. Here, what is your favorite video? We have 1 response. Are you subscribed or not? So people who responded, 50% are subscribed, 50% are not. And what improvement can I make? And these are the improvements that it is saying that. So the first one was you can improve this a lot, and then nothing at the moment. So every time a person respond, it will kind of like stay in the line like this. And here for the latest response rate, you will see like this as well. So this is like a very cool way. So now if I want to, for example, if you wanted to collect email addresses from people, their contact information, all you can do is just open this in Excel. So it will give you the data that yeah, it will give you the data that uh, also, I'll just open this. It will give you the data that you just collected. So I'll open this in Excel. It will open up, and you will see that like different columns. So here you see that all the responses are uh, in different columns. So here for the email part, you can also have like a person give you the email address. So that will kind of tell you who the person was. You can make that a requirement. Uh, so here are the bunch of other things. So these are you subscribed? Yes or no. So these are responses that people gave us. So we can Microsoft Form can be used in a lot of places. Uh, we use them at work as well. They are used everywhere, like on a very professional setting. There are Google Forms as well. So if you have not seen the video on Google Forms, they're free. You can see that at the top right hand corner in a banner or at the end of this video. So Google Forms are also used for service and things like that, but Microsoft Forms are more they kind of look more official than the Google Forms. That's why I like them a lot. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Also, please subscribe if you're not subscribed to this channel, because this will help me a lot. And liking help the YouTube algorithm to push this video to more audience. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.